ఫ్రెష్ అయిపోదు మళ్ళీ టైమింగ్ వెళ్ళి अस्मभ्यं दद्धीमहे विष्णुराधो युष्माय सोपदम् ॐ येन लोकाय तनयाय धान्यामवेदं भाद्भयाक्षितम् अस्मभ्यं दद्धीमहे राधो विश्वाय सौभगौ सैरत्नानि धातुरे सुभाति सविता भगाः तं भागं चित्रमीमहे स्वादे सविता भगाः तं भागं चित्रमीमहे विद्योर्वर्णा अन्तरिक्षं महित्वा उपस्थे ते देवी पितरं च प्रयं स्वः ऋगं श्रद्धामविराजति वाक्पतङ्गाय शुश्रिये सद्यस्य महद्युभे अस्य प्राणादपानत्यन्तश्चरति यक्षन्महेशस्वः दीपयामसि आदित्या विश्वे बसवस्थ समाभरन् ध्रुवन्देवो बृहस्पति ध्रुवन्त इन्द्रस्याग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयित्वा ध्रुवम् आयुर्धाग्ने हविषो दिशानां घृतं प्रतीको घृतयो निरेधे मधुचारगव्यं पितेव पुत्रमभिरक्षता सादसिद्धिरस्तु नमो नमो भवति जायमानोऽह्नाङ्गे तिर्ससामित्यग्रे भागं देवेभ्यो विदधात्यायन्द्रचन्द्रमास्तिरति दीर्घमायुः राजकार्य सकलकार्यं विघ्नता सिद्धिरस्तु शीघ्रातिशीघ्रमेव यत्राकारं प्रारम्भं योग्यतानन्तरप्रसादसिद्धिरस्तु मनोभीष्टसिद्धिरस्तु ले सर Sir, you have to complete the people quickly. Who is doing? Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Honorable CM sir, I'll just give a little briefing on the facility that we are going to create here. A little bit about ADA sir. So it is headed by you sir, this is the general body president, governing body. This is the entire team of ADA which is working, and I am proud to be the director of this organization sir. The programs that we have the LCA Mark II program which is currently going on, and we have the AMCA program for which this facility is getting created, sir. So, Tejas, you are already aware, sir, we are already having 2 squadrons, about 220 fighters will be given to the country by completely designed and developed by Aeronautical Development Agency. We also had a pleasure of having Honorable PM and Honorable RM sir as dignitaries who have flown this aircraft and given us a lot of confidence that this aircraft is actually worthy of giving to the squadron, sir. ADA has a big ecosystem. We have actually roped in almost 300 work centers have been created. When we started doing this work, there was no ecosystem available, sir. So we are the people who have built this ecosystem. And the indigenization, you see, it's almost 11,600 crores investment that has happened, indigenization, and so much FE saving has happened because of the efforts which have been put in by ADA. So this is the program that we are working on, sir, the NC Air Force Mark II, which is most of it is now going to be indigenous. Only the engine is the problem, but other than that, everything will be tried to make in India. 9,800 crores have been offered to us to do this development, sir. And Indian Air Force has said about 120 of these aircraft will have to be built to replace the existing Jaguar, Mirage and 29. It is reached an advanced stage. We are already in the manufacturing. We have built all this together. We hope to fly this aircraft in the early next year, sir. So that will be the first LC Air Force Mark II that we can launch. Yeah. This is the AMCA program which we are looking at. The first flight is 2028. This will be the place from where we will do the first flight of AMCA, sir. We will integrate the whole thing together in. So this is the facility which is going to be created. We'll build small components, but we'll bring it all here together. This is the place where the integration of the aircraft is going to happen. All the systems will be integrated with the engine, and then the ground test facilities will be created here, sir. And this will be a premier flight test facility where all aircraft will finally start testing, and we hope that the industry partner whom we are going to work with, वो भी अपना यहाँ पूरा ecosystem बनाएंगे जिससे कि यहाँ पे सारा हो सके. एक और छोटा चीज़ है, so this is the next aircraft that will also fly from here, the twin engine deck basement है, जो आपने सर clear कराया है, तो fly. Just the last slide, sir. So our sincere gratitude आपके effort से, honorable CM के effort से we reach this stage कि आज शिलान्यास यहाँ पे हुआ है, और Industries and Commerce Department, sir, has really helped us. Just last 2-3 things, sir. Small work which needs to be continued further to make this facility. We need to build the airport here, sir, which meets the Indian Air Force requirements. Thoda that local flying area we have to create so the flight testing is possible. And so the last one is ADA needs funding, sir, to make this whole facility. Thank you very much, sir.
Get it.